Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Azure Blob Storage to local analytics folders, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary permissions to access both the Azure Blob Storage and your local file system. Open your web browser and sign in to the Azure portal. Navigate to the Storage Accounts section in the sidebar. Select the storage account that contains the blob storage you want to access. In the Storage Account overview, click on Containers to view your blobs. Select the specific container that holds the data you wish to transfer. Within the container, browse to locate the files you want to download. To download a single file, click on it, then select the download option. If you wish to download multiple files, check the boxes next to each desired file. After selecting the files, click the download button that appears at the top. Your browser will begin downloading the selected files to your default download location. Alternatively, you can use Azure Storage Explorer for a more advanced file transfer experience. Download and install Azure Storage Explorer if you haven't already. Open Azure Storage Explorer and sign in with your Azure account. Expand the Storage Accounts node in the left navigation pane. Locate and expand your storage account, then navigate to the desired container. To download files, select the files or folders you want to transfer. Right-click on the selection and choose the download option. Select a local destination folder where you would like to save the files. Click Select Folder to initiate the download process. Monitor the progress in Azure Storage Explorer to ensure all files have been downloaded successfully. Once the transfer is complete, close Azure Storage Explorer if you are done using it. Navigate to the local destination folder to confirm that your files have been successfully withdrawn from blob storage. Now you can access and analyze the files from your local analytics folders as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.